Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how to create your CuriousCat account. Once you are done setting up your two phone connection method, that is the two hotspot and proxy VPN method with your other Android device, so you head over straight to your CuriousCat account, CuriousCat app, and click on this continue with Google. So you are going to agree to this privacy, and then click on agree, then wait for Google to pop out the emails that you have that you might want to use. Okay, so make sure you are patient with them, and then just press on continue with Google again. So it has brought out my email now, so I'm going to select the Google account email that I want to use. Okay, so let me just scroll down and just check on the particular one I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue. Wait for it. Okay, so you can see from here now it's saying earn more points with email, right? Receive our community email so we can send you bonus points and help maximize your earnings and your opt out at any time. So what you do is you click on I want to earn more points. Click on I want to earn more points. Okay, so it says complete your basic profile so you can match up, so you can task, so we can match you to task and you can start earning. It only takes like 5 minutes. So this basic profile survey is something you can't afford to miss. Make sure you take it. Don't skip it. Okay, so click on I'm ready. Okay, so wait for it. Very good. So on this side you are going to be picking based on what you want to use for your profile. Okay, so I'm going to pick from outside. I'm just going to choose the female. You can click on next. So my age, I'm going to choose 45. Just use what's best for you according to your own template you want to use. Okay, just make sure you use what's best for you. So I'm using what is best for me. Married. I'm married. Okay, alright, so I have one or more children under the age of 18 living in my household. So okay, the age of my kids, children. Okay, for me I can decide to use girl 9, the boy 11. Choose based on what's on your template. Okay, so okay, total combined income do your members of your household earn before tax. So so I'm going to click on this 100. Is this okay? Yes. Own. What best describes your current household? Owned house. What's the highest level of education you have completed? I will choose PhD. Okay, what's best describe your employment? I will choose intermediate, managerial. Oh, sorry, I need to repeat that particular aspect of this question. I have not chosen this. I need to scroll down. So what are your household investable assets, not including house ownership? So I'm going to click on, let's say 50 to 74, or at best, let me just choose that, Let me just choose that. What's your current employment status? I'm going to put employed full time. What's your category? Which of the following categories best describe your organization industry? I'm going to choose on healthcare. Mine is healthcare. You choose what you are choosing based on your profile or your template. Approximately how many employees at your work at your location? So I'm going to pick from 1,000 to 5,000. What's your job title? Okay, I'm coming manager, right? I'm coming. Manager, I guess the manager would be good. Yes, manager. Which department do you primarily work with at the organization? Okay, I'm going to choose on executive. Let me check on executive leadership, or let me just choose the administration general staff. Please choose which department product do you have influence on. Okay, sorry. Which department do you have influence? Specify. Okay, for me. Order. I'll put order here because I can't find the particular one I'm using. Approximately what's your annual revenue of your organization? So I would put something like 100 million to 200. Yeah, let's choose this. In the last year, have you engaged in any of the following job related activities? Help define recruit, okay. Okay, yes, this is okay. Yes, this one is good. Okay, how many legs does a 4-legged cat have? 4. That's 4. Do you or does anyone in your household work in any of the industries? Just choose the healthcare and then order, or I guess let me just pick order. Which of the following pets are present in your home? Just pick dogs and cats. Your household, are you the person who makes most of the daily purchase decision? Yes. Are you the primary maker in your household? Just pick yes. Where do you do the majority of your grocery shopping? I might want to pick on Waitrose. What type of mobile plan do you have? I have a prepaid, I guess. Okay, I'm coming. This is prepaid. Yes, prepaid. Which of the following electronic products do you have? You can choose anyone you want: smart TV, mobile phone, what else? You can choose a laptop. You can choose a stationary game console, tablet, video cam, and then what else again? Ebook reader. You can choose that. What type of smartphone do you primarily use? You can choose iPhone. Which brand of smart TV do you own? Pick Samsung. Do you have a webcam and are you willing to use it on an online research? Yes, I have a webcam and I am willing to use it on online research. Can you tell us which year were you born? 1980. Okay, lastly, could you please let us know the first part of your postcode? The first part of my postcode is 0 Sussex. All right, so now you are qualified to start taking, surveys and all of that. So you're going to click on cancel now. Cancel, just wait for it, let it go. And so make sure your template is well structured when you're taking up on this. Okay, so you will be able to match up for the right surveys that you'll be given based on your templates, and your template is going to matter your demographic. Okay, so wait for it. So let me just click on cancel. Alright, so we are good to go here. So it's a welcome to your offer wall. So in this offer wall, you see a lot of things here and they are well explainable if you check them out. High, low, fast, low, success, risky, unknown. Alright, so just go down and click on continue. Very good. Alright, so very okay now. So in this aspect now, I will be taking to, so you can see from this aspect now, this is the interface of where you'll be seeing your surveys. Okay, each time you enter, this is the interface where you'll be seeing your survey. So if you click on this 3 lines at this corner edge here, you'll be able to see your cash outs, transactions, invite friend. That invite friend is not necessary because it doesn't work except they are on festive or maybe they are having a special offer season. But then if you check on these settings, you can see your email is verified. If you want to withdraw, maybe it's once your time to withdraw and you want to withdraw, you can actually use this your contact email address. You can link it to your PayPal address, and if that's your PayPal address already, you can use it to withdraw and it will go. But if this is not your primary PayPal email or is not yet linked to your email, you can link it to your PayPal address, or best still, you can use this add PayPal and email address, this option right here. You will just turn this on and then put in the PayPal email address you want to use and withdraw here, and then you verify it. Okay, so that's actually how it goes. So we're not doing that for now, so let's go back to transactions. This is where you see all of your transaction histories, and if you want to cash out, once you've reached the minimum of 100 points, which is equivalent to £1, you can now withdraw. Okay, so let's go back to tax. You can see down that I'm having 50 tax that I'm to take right now, so I'm going to take on this 50 tax now. So I'm going to click on, so as you can see, so I'm going to click on start. So it's going to take me to my browser. Hopefully that's where I'm going to be taking the first tax. Okay, so I forgot to mention this particular aspect. The moment you enter the tax, once you get here for the first one, you'll be told that before you cash out, you will need to verify your account with a valid photo ID. passport and driver's license. So you can use your NIN actually, or your international passport, anyone you feel you want to use. And the process is simple. So click on I understand and click on next. You will also need to take a quick selfie to match your photo ID. This helps confirm it's really you. Right, I understand. Click on next. Would you like to verify your identity now and cash out your points? You can click on yes, I am ready now. Try to make sure you are clicking on yes, I am ready now. Even if you don't have the NIN with you right now, try to click on yes, I am ready now. To a level, they are going to, once you get to a level, maybe the next task you are going to be given, you are going to be told to verify your ID. Make sure you do it, and do it in the daytime. Let it be clear enough. By that, you'll be able to withdraw. If you are not verified, you will not be allowed to withdraw. Okay. If you found this video helpful, do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss up on any other beneficial updates as time goes on. Alright, see you later, guys. Thank you.